Hi, welcome to the demo of our application Shelfie. Shelfie is a tool to help librarians find missing and misplaced books using AI. On the outside, libraries seem calm and orderly, but in reality, they are complex systems with many moving parts that require constant maintenance. To start, users must input the sort code of the first and last book on a shelf. This allows our internal ordering system to determine the correct sequence for a given shelf. Once these sort codes have been entered, a user will then turn their camera sideways and take a photo of the shelf. Then, they should crop the bounds of the photo to only show a single shelf. After a few seconds of processing, our internal vision system will segment every book on the shelf and extract information about their title and call number. Individual books can be clicked to enable the user to gain more information about the text extracted. The user will also receive clear visual feedback about which books are in order and which books are misplaced, green meaning in order and red meaning misplaced. They will also receive a list of all books properly sorted and those that are missing from the shelf entirely. We have also made a companion website to go along with our mobile application. The website acts as a dashboard that allows librarians to keep track of the overall state of their library. Once books are found, they are able to remove them from the missing list. Thank you for watching the demo of our application.